Hello everybody. Today we're continuing with Geometry 7.1 dilations. Our learning objective is to draw dilations in the coordinate plane. When drawing dilations in the coordinate plane, we have to consider two cases. When the center is at the origin and when the center is not at the origin. We're going to start with the center being the origin. So to find the coordinates of an image after a dilation centered at the origin, multiply the x and y coordinates of each point on the pre-image by the scale factor of the dilation. Let's say we have a dilation factor of 2. Okay? So what we're going to do is multiply the coordinates of each point by 2, as we see here. So x is 2, multiply 2 by 2, you get 4. Y is 3, multiply that by 2, you get 6. Okay, so multiply by 2, multiply by 2. And that's how you get the coordinates of the points of the dilated image. Let's look at another example. We have this figure with 4 vertices and the center is at the origin right here. Okay, so to find the coordinates of the new points or the new vertices of the dilated image, as we said, we have to multiply everything. We have to multiply the coordinates by the scale factor. Okay, now in this case the scale factor is 2.5. So for point J, minus 2 times 2.5 is minus 5. Minus 2 or 4 times 2.5 is 10, and so forth. Okay, minus 2 times 2.5, minus 5, minus 5, minus 4 times 2.5 is minus 10. Alright, so now after you find the new vertices of the dilated image, you just connect the points, and there you have it. Now let's draw the dilation of the following figure with these vertices. The origin being the center, and the scale factor is 1/3. So obviously this is a shrinkage of the image. The first point is 0, 6, which is right here. Second point, minus 6, minus 3. And then the third point is 6 minus 3. Let's connect the vertices. Alright, now we need to calculate the coordinates of the dilated image. So we're going to start with point Q, 0, 6, and then Q prime, all we have to do is just multiply everything by 1/3. So 0 times 1/3 is 0. 6 times 1/3 is 2. Now point R, minus 6 minus 3 times 1/3 minus 2 minus 1. And then point S, 6 minus 3 times 1/3, that would be 2 minus 1. Okay, let's locate the points on the coordinate plane. So 0, 2 is right here. minus 2 minus 1 is right here, and then 2 minus 1 is right here. And let's connect the dots. All right, and there you have. So if this was Q, this would be Q prime. This was R. This is R prime. This is S. S prime. All right. So when the center is the origin, all you have to do is just multiply everything by 1 over 3. The coordinates of each point by 1 over 3 to get the new points. And then you connect the points. Please pause this video and try to do this yourself. Now let's look at an example where the center is not the origin. For example, right here we have this rectangle BCDE right here, and the center is 1, 1, and the scale factor is 2. In this case, you can't just multiply each point by 2 or each coordinate by 2. It just doesn't work like that. Okay? So what we have to do here is, let's say, how do you go from the center to point A or to point B? So from A to B, we're actually going down 2 units and then left 2 units. All right? Now, multiply that by the scale factor of 2, so you should get down 4 units and left 4 units, and that's, you know, if you go down 1, 2, 3, 4, left 1, 2, 3, 4, you get to B prime. Okay? Now, how do you go to from A to C? Obviously, you're going down 2 and then going left 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay? You're going left 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So multiply that by 2, so you're going down by 4, and 5 times 2 is 10. So let's see if that's true. 1, 2, 3, 4, okay, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right. Same thing for from A to E. From A to E, we're going down 1, 2, 3, 4, going down 4, and then left 1, 2. So this becomes 4 times 2 is 8, and 2 times 2 is 4. So let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's correct. Left 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So down 4, left, down 8, left 4. Now, last point from A to D, we're going down 1, 2, 3, 4, and left 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 4 down, 5 left. Multiply each one by 2, you get 8 down and 10 left. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, and there you have it. So you see how you get from the center to each point in the original image. Multiply that by the scale factor. Okay. All right, let's look at this example. We want to draw the dilated image of the following figure. We have 4 points, F, G, H, J. The center of dilation is 1 minus 1, so obviously this is not the origin. And the scale factor, it's 1/2, 0.5. In the book it says 1, but it should be 1/2. Let me draw the image first. All right, let's see. So first of all, how do we go from point A to F, for example? Okay, from point A to point F, we're going down 2, and we're going left 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. Now, when you multiply each one by half, so it will be going down by 1 and then going left by 3.5. Okay. Now, from point A to point G, we're going just left because it's on the same line. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Sorry, I think I made a mistake here. This should be 6. And when you divide 6 by 2, you get 3. Or when you multiply 6 by half, you get 3, not 3.5. Okay? Now, from A to G, we're going 7 to the left. Multiply that by half, so you're actually going 3.5 now to the left. Now, from point A to point H, we're going left 2. Multiply that by half, you get 1. And from point A to point J, we're going down by 2 and left by 3. So multiply each one by half, you're going down by 1 and then left by 1.5. Let me plot the points just to save time. So as you can see, after I plotted the points, okay, each side of the original image is now half. So for example, this was from -6 to -1, that's 5. Now it's 2.5. This one was like, 2 going diagonally. Okay, so it's half. This one was 3, now it's 1.5, and same thing for this one. So each side was reduced by a half. Okay, so again, to do this, you go from the center to each point. You see how many units you go down or left or up, okay, or right, and then you multiply the number of units by the scale factor. In this case, the scale factor was half. Okay, and that's how you do it. Alright, we're going to do more examples later, but for now, stay safe and please watch the video, subscribe to the channel, and leave some comments. Thank you. Bye.